Robert Green from Keithley Instruments. Welcome to our demo for RF power amp testing. Today I will show you how you can test so much with so little using Keithley's extensive line of RF and DC instrumentation to test RF power amplifiers, RF power transistors, and a wide range of RF transmitters. One small instrumentation package can test all critical RF and DC parameters. With a Keithley instrument package, you can obtain complete test capability that offers 3 dimensions of savings: save test time, save capital costs, save test rack space. Achieve reductions in these dimensions by a factor of 2 or greater over your current methods. Measure RF power output parameters such as maximum output power, gain flatness, 1 dB compression point. Analyze out-of-band emissions such as adjacent channel power and spectral emission mask. Determine modulation quality with measurements such as phase error and EVM on all the major wireless communication standards, including wireless LAN and WiMAX. Perform all these measurements with Keithley's Model 2900 series vector signal generators and Model 2800 series vector signal analyzers with signal generation and measurement capability out to 6 GHz. Generate signals with bandwidths in excess of 40 MHz and analyze wide bandwidth signals in excess of 30 MHz. The wide modulation and signal capture bandwidths enable you to test today's signals and tomorrow's wider bandwidth signals. Reduce the time to take these RF measurements with performance such as 1.8 millisecond frequency switching time with modulated signals and 1 millisecond channel power measurements. Get all this capability in less than half the space of traditional RF equipment. Use the touchscreen or a USB mouse to navigate the Windows-based environment and bypass the complexity of the numerous buttons on conventional RF equipment. While you are measuring RF performance, simultaneously capture DC power consumption measurements. Measure peak transmit current, even if the current consists of bursts as short as 50 microseconds. Measure microamp level sleep or idle mode currents, and determine device efficiency. Keithley offers a unique line of battery simulating power supplies to test devices designed for portable end products. These devices maintain their output voltage even under the largest load changes. Need to measure even lower currents such as chip leakage currents and IDDQ currents? Keithley has the expertise with the 2400 or 2600 series source meters. Measure picoamp currents, and with the 2600 series system source meters, save space by combining 2 channels in one half-rack instrument. Save test time by using the 2600 series to execute control and measurement test scripts internally and reduce interface bus traffic. If your device has multiple RF inputs and outputs, add a System 46 microwave switch to the system and get flexibility such as a field reconfigurable system expandable up to 32 switching channels, use of either terminated or unterminated relays, and monitoring relay life with the contact closure counter. If your device has additional signal processing or control capability, you can add more low-frequency measurement and connections to more device pins or device I/O connections with the Series 3700 system switch multimeter and its wide range of plug-in switch card configurations. Switch up to 576 channels, take readings at rates up to 14,000 readings a second, and link tightly with the Series 2600 source meters through the test script processing link. You can also control device handlers, add a dedicated system controller, and add an unlimited number of digital control and sensing lines with Keithley's KPXI series modular control platform. Use the dedicated system controller to maximize test speed, store data, and download test results to a network for offline analyses. Keithley offers a complete RF and DC solution for testing RF power amplifiers, RF transistors, and transmitters with test time savings that can be at least 1/2 of your current test time, in less than half the space, and at half the cost of your current system. Whether you want to build your own test system or have Keithley provide a complete hardware-software test solution, a Keithley applications engineer can help you develop the best plan for your needs. Contact Keithley today to help you meet your RF amplifier test challenges.